Hello again everyone. Today we will block out only hand fingers. Because making hand take time. And don't think hand as complex structure. Actually it is very simple. Here is the philosophy because I love to make philosophy. If you want to know any complex things, go close to it, become familiar by knowing it. And at the end of the day you will start to understand the simplicity of that things. Okay, starting from where we had finished. Now we will the extrude fingers. First of select the inserted faces of thumb. Thumb is little bit tricky, because thumb direction is different. So how I know the direction of thumb rotation? You can see inside video by doing this you can visualize the rotation of thumb direction. Okay, one important thing, ask yourself why nature created thumb direction different. Think, because we use our hand for grabbing things like our mother heavy bag. Or our father car key without his permission. Another common example is grabbing apple in hand so we can eat easily, etc. Okay, I think you got the idea. Watch carefully how I am doing. Press E for extruding. If any new will come I will explain it. Now watch carefully to rotate smooth vertices of thumb. I will create new topology for smooth joint rotation. You don't have to do that, you can also keep round loop. It up to you, but I will do it. Press J to join loop. And also don't forget about subdivision to turn on and off during modeling. Now we make space for nail. And one advice, instead of copying every step of mine, you can also see first the process I am doing. After then taking hand reference images, you could also model hand in your way. Don't forget everyone way is different. Okay, now we will make fingers. There will be new process for making, which is not very hard because process is same as thumb that we made recently. So the process will be same as thumb. But keep in mind now we will make fingers. If anything new will come I will explain. Okay, here I have selected the edges at joint area to put cursor there by pressing Shift S, then select cursor to selected. This will put cursor in middle of joint. Then change pivot to cursor and you can easily rotate the finger in proper direction. And there are also different directions mode. You can experiment with them and you will be able to easily figure out the equation. Okay, now we will add extra topology for smooth rotation of fingers joint. It's same process as we did on thumb. You see how philosophy was helpful in real practical. We got to know the nature has evolved our hand for grabbing things. So our hand structure also become that way. Okay, our blockout of fingers is completed. Now save it and goodbye everyone for now. See you in next episode.